The CFS. This is Creality's answer to the Bambu AMS. It holds 4 spools, expandable to 16, and automates loading and unloading. In practice, it's about 85% successful. When using Creality's own RFID-chipped Hyper PLA, it's magical. Drop it in, and it knows the color and material. However, when I used third-party cardboard spools, I ran into friction issues. The retraction gears sometimes struggle to pull filament back if the spool rim is dented or soft. I found myself printing printable rim adapters to keep things running smooth. It works, but it lacks the set-it-and-forget-it polish of its main competitor. Active chamber heating. This is the feature that actually sold me. Unlike most enclosed printers that just trap passive heat from the bed, the K2 Plus actively heats the chamber up to 60 degrees Celsius. I tested this with a large ABS storage bin. On my K1 Max, large ABS prints usually warp at the corners. On the K2 Plus, with the chamber set to 55 degrees Celsius, the parts came out with injection-molded streetness. If you print engineering materials like ABS, ASA, or PC, this feature alone justifies the price.